Hey, what's up? So recently I have been getting ads for this application called TeraBox, and using this app we get 1024 gigabyte, which is equal to 1 terabyte cloud storage for free. In my opinion, this is a really good deal. For free, you're getting 1 terabyte of cloud storage. This is amazing. As I said, I saw the ad and then I thought that this is amazing. Actually, this is amazing because just imagine getting a 1 terabyte of cloud storage for free. This video is not sponsored or anything like that. I'm on to the free stuff, all right? So this is available for Android, iOS, and Windows PC too, and you can use a website too, I believe. And you can also use this to share files online, large files as they say here, without logging in. So now let's get our 1 terabyte of cloud storage for free. This is also my first time, so I'm just gonna log in with the Google. Actually done. Okay, I guess we get ads. Okay, that's the catch. There is always a little catch for free thingy. Okay, I don't mind ads. Okay, I'm absolutely into it. Okay, for free 1 terabyte cloud storage, and we just have to see one ad. I think this is brilliant. You can also go premium if you don't want to see ads, and you can get other features too. Actually, let's get the desktop application. Let's see how it is. Right, okay, I am signed in. As I said, we're gonna get the ads for free. I think that's the only catch, and there are maybe some other limitations too, but 1 terabyte storage for free, it's amazing. I'm saying this again and again, but you can use this for many things. Backup your files, videos, whatever you want to backup. Or if you run a small business, you have a website where you share your files or whatnot, then yeah, this is brilliant. Yeah. Let me upload one file just for the demo. Let's see how fast it uploads. Actually really fast, 6 megabytes per second in real time. Not that bad. Yeah. Good. This is a Balena Etcher portable software that I downloaded, and now I'm gonna access this file. You can see there is our file. I'm just gonna download it actually. Okay, this is the download speed that I'm getting, almost 2 megabytes per second, which is not the best speed because I do have really good internet connection. I know, like I can get like 30 megabytes per second download speed, but as I said, for faster speed you'll need a premium. Yeah, that's another catch. Right, but not that bad. I mean, 2 megabytes per second is also pretty good. Yeah, this is just great for free. That's all I'm saying. I'm gonna say this again and again, but this is great for free. Absolutely great. 1 terabyte of cloud storage for free is not a joke. All right. Yeah. So as I said, recently I have been getting lots of ad for this application, and I think it's good. Yeah, it's good. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.